Hello, welcome to the loft. For those of you following me on Instagram, you may have seen I've acquired lots of melamine face chipboard panels. My workshop space won't allow me to cross-cut the panels on my bench saw, so I thought I would make a quick cross-cut jig to use with my handheld circular saw. The jig consists of 3 pieces of scrap wood, a large one for the base and 2 thinner ones, one to act as a saw guide and the third one to keep the jig at 90 degrees to the edge of the panels. Firstly, the saw runner was screwed to the base. I used my spirit level to ensure that this runner was perfectly straight. It is important to make sure that the timber at the side of the runner is at least as wide as the base of your saw. If you would like to support the Small Loft Workshop, please consider subscribing to our channel. The next job is to run the circular saw up the saw runner. The board edge will now form the reference line for future cuts. For the last piece of wood, I just used a piece of 1 by 1.5 inch timber and cut it to the width of the board. This was then screwed to the underside of the jig. Finally, to ensure the jig was square, I referenced off a known square edge of one of the MFC panels. Fasten the jig down with clamps. And finally, locking down the screws. Now it was time for a test cut. I marked the panel length, offered the jig to the mark, clamped down the jig, and made the cut. And then using the tape measure just to ensure that the old panel was square. And it was. Thank you for watching.